Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, we are going to attempt to put some more parts back on this machine. We're going to put the hook assembly back on. Again, I didn't memorize all the names of everything. I know I'm going to sound like a broken record, but I'm going to have a link in the description to Sewing Machine Rehab, to Jen's video, and she knows all the names and the proper procedure to put them in. I'm going to fumble through it and hopefully get everything back together. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the screw back into this clamping, I guess for lack of a better term, the clamp. All right, I don't want it too tight. Okay, it still moves. Now, I believe the next part that goes in is this. And this has to go, I believe, this way, on this roller. And then right there. Okay, let's do a little bit of oiling before we put everything on. Just a drop in here, spin that, put a drop in there, spin that, put a little bit all over the piece, a little bit of oil in there. All right, let's get that roller on there. And then that is this screw right here. Let's put a drop of oil on it. I believe this has an oil port. Yeah, it does, right up there. We'll put a... Okay. Now we'll tighten that down. Okay. All right. Well, that's moving. Now, I believe the next part is this pitman that goes in. And this, I already have the two little screws on the side. Let me make sure they're not too tight. Nope, they're loose. And I believe this is going to go on here. It does not look right. Nope. Put that backwards. This way. Okay, so this goes on here like that. Yes. And then this screw here goes in here. Oh, let me put a drop of oil on that. Okay. Let's snug this a little bit. Okay. Let's get this screw started. Okay. I don't remember what comes next. I gotta look at my video. Oh boy, there's gonna be a lot of this going on. All right, give me a second. Okay, so this little roller here, right here, needs to go into the slot here. So that this lines up with that right there. And then this puppy goes in. Oh, let me put a little oil on that. Okay, I think that's good. Let's tighten that down. Okay, let's see if everything's moving. Okay, we got movement. All right, now I believe this little dog bony thing goes next, but again, I have to rewatch my videos. I'm watching them all to try to remember the sequence of what goes where, and yeah, my brain isn't functioning right now, so I'll be right back. We're gonna take our hook. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here. We're going to slide this from the top. Okay. Now we're going to get this little, I guess for clamp, for lack of a better term. We'll slip this on. We'll give it a little squirt of oil. Okay. Now we have this screw right here that's going to go in right here. Let me get it started. And from what I remember Jen saying is you want to hold the hook all the way down and press this all the way up. Let's get the right size bit for that. That's a little thick. Let's use this one. All right, this wasn't as bad as the last one. Let me move this aside and flip this around a little bit so I can get at this. Okay, so everything's tight. Okay, now come back this way. We want to take this little dog bony thing, and I believe it goes this way, and then this screw goes in there. I'm going to put a little oil on the threads. And this has 2 oil ports in it. Let's tighten that down. If you could see if that shows up. See those 2 holes? Those are oil ports. Let's put a little in there and a little in there. Now, oops, if I turn the hook, let's see, if I turn this, the hook should turn. And it is. Woo! Oh, my great video skills. See the hook turning? Oh, man. Okay, that was not terrible. So, I'm going to call it quits on this one. And again, I'm going to have a link in the description to Jen's video. If you want to know the names of all the parts, you know, the pitman, the hook, the clamp, she's got it all down pat. So, so far so good. And yeah, you know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I want to thank you for coming along. I appreciate you watching me fumble through this. I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.